Watch out, man. I real skill I represent, you know. For Lion Foot TV. That's my CV. Yo, tell them don't pray with. All who don't like it, just go drop asleep. Or go watch some what? TV. So me I say, watch it. Steam for you fly out of the kitchen. Steam for you fly out of the kitchen. Me no want to see no hair upon the chicken. Then tongues all fingernail got take a clipping.
Just a love and great things all of my viewers and subscribers. Me there try some SPRAT in idea. I'm gonna decide that me want to share it to them, you know. You don't know, I already cleaned it up already. And seasoned it up with black pepper and salt. I don't know. Just so me I'll share it to them. So I'm kind of start late already, but here's the fish. Herring SPRAT, you know, some baby one. Yeah, them seasoned up already. The small one, them in Jamaica I get the big one them. But them have some small one, you know. Season them up with black pepper and salt and some are fried already. Yeah, so what I did for the preparation was cut them out and take out the guts, the inside, the belly, you know, the guts and the gill, fish gill and all of them things, the intestine. Not human, you know, but yeah. And things, so that me do and wash them off, season them up, make them dry first, season them up, and then get them ready to start fry. So as you can see, some are fry already. Yeah, and when it's done, I'm going to show you the end product scene. So big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Big up on the Lion Foot families them. Peace and love. Blessed. Welcome back my people. So here it is. The SPRAT them finished frying. So that's all it is. SPRATs, herring SPRAT. You know what I mean? Fry them up, black pepper salt. That's all I put on them. And I just fry them. Now they're crispy. Nice and crispy. Now the next thing, I have a sweet pepper, a onion, and carrot, and a scotch bonnet pepper. See it? What I'm going to do is cut them up. Nice and small dices. And then cook them down for a little, about 2 minutes in the frying pot with the same oil that I used to fry the fish. Then I'm gonna put them on the fish with some little vinegar, and that's it. I can munch while I'm watching a movie or I'm in the studio doing some work, mixing down, cleaning up some vocals, or doing my vlogging or something. You know, just munch. Yeah, me and my son, he loves them, man. You get me? So I'm gonna prepare these now, then show you. So big up on yourself. Now look at carrot, slice up the carrot.
Attention! This is for all my fellow Jamaicans and a message to all the politicians. I need back my Jamaica. Hey, Rose. Jamaica was a good island, but by the governments, them it gets spoiled, man. Them raise up the price pan the sugar and the aisle, man. Behind closed door after the poor, them a smile, man. Them a pressurize the elders and the juvenile, man. Them not provide no.
Yes, my people, so now I got the pepper. I love pepper, so I'm gonna put this whole pepper in here. Yeah, I like spicy food, you know. So now this is all prepared. We got carrot, sweet pepper, onions. Carrot, pepper, hot scotch bonnet pepper, sweet onions, pepper, you know, sweet pepper, yeah. Hot pepper, carrots, spring onions. So here we still got the pot on the fire. So I'm gonna light it back, make it warm up a little bit. Yeah man, that's, you know, big up all my viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Yeah man, fried SPRAT, you know? Yeah. I say all that chocha, yeah, I eat it raw. It's good to eat raw. Chocho. Yep, so now the oil is hot. I'm gonna just drop them in the pot. As you can hear the steam frying up. Now it's not gonna cook for long. Just leave it there for simmer down for a little bit, you know. I got my vinegar. Pour it in. A little vinegar, not too much. And just cover it. Make it simmer down for a little bit, you know, for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. You want the carrot to cook a little, parboil, and the onion, you know, cook a little. And that's it really. Yeah. Here's my paper, sir. Now it's finished. 5 minutes maximum. I'm just gonna tighten up a little bit. And pour them on it. And now that's it really. Yeah. So here it is, my paper. You know what I mean? Some sugar fried SPRAT. It's just a quick thing, a rush thing. Normally I would have my green pepper, my yellow sweet pepper, green sweet pepper and a red sweet pepper, but just now just a red. If you give it that red, green and gold color look, but now it's just only the red pepper me have. Need to go and do some shopping. But anyway, I ate that. Then SPRAT, carrot, red sweet pepper, hot pepper, and onions. And last but not least, have a sprinkle look more vinegar upon it. Give it that flavor, that essence. And then put some cling film over it, you know. We're going to soak some cling film, make it go and soak. Make it go and soak and season it before I start munch on him, you know. So there it is, my people, my fans. Pick up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the Live Food channel. And that's how I prepare SPRAT. Herring SPRAT. Fried herring SPRAT. You know what I mean? Look at black pepper, salt. That's all I put on it. Fry it. Then I prepare the onion, sweet pepper. You can put all different type of sweet pepper. The yellow one, the green one, you know. Make it more colorful and look enticing. Yeah. But you don't know, do your thing. And you're the king. I'm out. Lion Food channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.
In Jamaica, me no like where you gone. The government step now perform. In Jamaica, me no like where you gone. Too much people are fear separation. In Jamaica, me no like where you gone. Every day you live another life gone. In Jamaica, me no like where you gone. Corruption a mash up the island. I'm gonna dedicate this one to all those who find it hard.
Big up Lion Food. Subscribe to the channel now. Representative from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.